Baby diapers play an important role in keeping your babies dry and prevent rashes. The way you go about changing your baby's diapers have a huge impact on your baby's health. First, make sure you pull the baby's clothes way up higher to reduce the likelihood that the baby is going to pee on his or her entire outfit. Babies, especially baby boys, tend to pee while you're changing them, so you want to make sure that doesn't happen. So now it's time to find out the part of the diaper that needs to be at the back and the part that needs to be in front. So once you look at the part that needs to be where it needs to be, and then stretch it out like so. Yes. So once you are done, gently raise the legs of the baby and tilt upwards. Quickly slide the new diapers underneath the old diaper. Once it's stretched out and you can see the tags, then bring down your baby's legs to lay flat. Stretch out the lower part of the diapers, ensuring that both sides are all stretched out properly. This particular method reduces the amount of time your baby stays exposed without a diaper. Now grab a wipe and hold it in your hand as you then remove the old diaper. Then quickly wipe from front to back, whether it's for a baby girl or a baby boy. For cleaning your baby girls, wipe within the folds, then wipe from front to back to prevent infection. For cleaning your baby boys, wipe within the folds also, then wipe from front to back, pulling the scrotum one side and wiping down the skin fold, and doing same for the other side. Point the pennies downwards to prevent any leaks. If your baby is circumcised, follow your doctor's instructions. Wipe neatly and carefully while making sure your baby is not experiencing any form of discomfort. Then you wrap the old diaper and dispose properly. Now pull the upper part of the new diaper, making sure that the left and the right hook are properly in place while you hold the upper part in case the baby wants to pee, you catch it. Then the upper left and right hook and attach it to the upper sides of the diapers. Ensure that the upper hooks are properly placed and adjusted to the sides of the baby. So this is how to change your baby's diaper to make sure that there are no leakages of any sort. And yes, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Help us get more value-packed videos your way every single time. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Baby sends his greetings as well. Bye bye.